Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that reboots itself. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on device care. Now in device care, scroll down and click on auto optimization and then click on auto restart. So if you have turned on restart when needed or restart on schedule buttons, so turn off these buttons, and after turning off these buttons your mobile will stop rebooting itself. But after doing this, if you are still facing the same problem, then the next solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. So here it will show you the updates. So if you have any update, then install it, and after installing, your rebooting itself issue will be fixed. But after updating your mobile software, if you are still facing the same problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down to the end and here click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down to the end and click on factory data reset and then again scroll down to the end and here you will see a reset option. So tap on this reset option to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset option here, it will reset your mobile and it will also delete everything from your mobile, and after doing this it will fix your all small glitches in your mobile. So that's how you can fix the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that reboot itself. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.